Johnny Cuba had dropped anchor, waiting till he wasn't seen.
Nobody in sight. That's what I like. Time to slip in closer to port and meet my business pals.
Johnny Cuba's idea of a business pal was, like himself, a gangster.
Ahoy there! Hove to! Customs inspection! You are within port limits. I'm coming aboard! Hey! Watch out what you're doing! Careful! Oh! Ah!
Sorry, mate. The wind must have blown me off course.
Zebedee was out, as he'd been told, looking for ships or steamers, even fishing boats that might need a tow. Anything that might please Captain Zero.
Johnny Cuba. Oh dear.
Well. Captain Zero's little Zibby.
Hello, Johnny. I mean, Mr. Cuba.
G'day, nice to see you. Listen, do something for me. Slip me into the harbour so I'm not breaking the law, eh? I'll see you all right.
I'd love to, sir. Honest, I would. But
No ifs, no buts, Zebedee. I need a tow right now. The wind's making me angry, upsetting me plans.
Sorry, sir. But you see, Captain Zero's giving me other orders.
Listen to me, kid. Zero owes me, understand? So don't get funny or you'll be in deep trouble. And I do mean deep.
The gangster told Zebedee to tow him to the old docks that hadn't been used for years, where he'd arranged to meet his criminal friends.
I don't like it here, and it's out of bounds to shipping.
Too bad. Now I need coal right away, and be quick about it or I'll break your stack.
You mean stealers?
Did I say steal? Just get it when nobody's looking.
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
And don't try anything fancy, or you'll find yourself at the bottom of the harbour with cement in your hold.
I brought you coal, Mr. Cuba, sir.
Yeah, okay, Zebby. I'll put in a good word for you with Zero.
No, please don't do that, Mr. Cuba. I mean, he's bad books as it is. I mean...
You mean he wouldn't like you helping me, eh? That it?
No, I don't mean that. No, he sent me out to, you know, the wind's causing trouble, and,
You can go, mate. Long as you're back here tonight, okay? No worries.
Yeah, whatever you say. No worries, Mr. Cuba, sir. Hello, Mr. Cuba, sir.
Well, it's Zibby back again. Keep doing as Johnny Cuba tells you, and you'll come to no harm, you with me?
Yes, Mr. Cuba, the wind's dropping.
Right, there's a few other little things I want you to do for me before we go. Now listen, this is what...
It's Hercules.
Hello, what's going on here? Oh, yes, Zebedee. And where are you taking our friend, the well-known Johnny Cuba, eh?
Oh, well,
What's it to you, Star?
We know you, Johnny Cuba. Up to no good. We'll hand him over to the authorities, Zebedee. They may like to have a word with him.
No, you don't.
Well, wait a minute.
The gangster tried to back out, but collided with Zebedee.
You will not go anywhere.
Just to make sure, Zebedee rammed into Johnny Cuba, trapping him against the quayside.
Well done, Zebedee, my dear. Come on, let's take him in.
I'll break your stack for this one. They can't hold Johnny Cuba.